Hey there, my name is Bhagyesh and today I'm gonna show you how to install Python on Docker. So today we will be installing Python 3.9. Let's find out which Python version is running on my system. So that is 2.7.18. Okay, now let's create the Docker Compose file. First of all, version of Docker Compose file is 3.7. Then services section will define only Python environment service. So image we will be using is this Python 3.9.10 hyphen point 3.15. Okay, we'll paste it here. Now container name will pass as pyenv. Then we have to define working directory. So working directory is the directory where we run the program in the container. So this directory is present in the container. Now we have to bind our local directory with the container directory. So this Python directory will be bind to the programs directory from the container. Now if we run this Docker Compose file, the container will be created and stopped immediately because there is no process running in the background. So we'll pass one command that keeps running in the background, that is tail-f dev null. Let's create the container using Docker Compose up command. Okay, as we can see, image is pulled completely and container is created. Now let's get into the container shell. We say docker execute pyenv sh. Now we are in the programs directory of the container. If we say ls, that will show the file present in this Python directory. Python example. Yes, as you can see, the code is running fine. Now let's see Python version in the container, that is 3.9.10. Okay, now we will pass one environment file and we'll try to read the environment variable from it. To pass environment file, we have to say environment file and the file name is .env. Okay, now inside this we have set up system variable. Now let's stop this container. Okay, docker stop pyenv, docker remove pyenv. We have added this one and we'll say again docker compose up. Let's get into container. Docker execute -it pyenv sh. Now we are in programs directory tail example. So this code is here. Okay, now we will uncomment this code. /n. Okay, let's see again if code is updated or not. As we can see, the code is now uncommented. Now we'll try and run the code. Python example. As you can see, it has printed the docker, which was the value of this environment variable. Alright guys, that's all about this tutorial. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you.